Welcome to The Explainer. So today, we're absolutely transforming the way you look at your spreadsheets. Honestly, think of yourself as an alchemist. You've spent countless hours brewing these incredibly complex formulas, writing intricate VBA macros, and building out these amazing automated tools. Those are basically your magical spells. But what happens when you send that precious spellbook out into the wild without an unbreakable shield? Well, let's find out how to forge one.
Right off the bat, this is the million-dollar question. Is your hardest Excel work vulnerable to theft? Because it's a very real danger. You spend months perfecting this gorgeous dashboard or a complex financial model, only for someone to just reverse engineer it. They copy your underlying logic. Or worse, they take credit for the whole thing. We all know that one coworker who manages to accidentally delete your hardest formulas in like 5 seconds, right? Let alone malicious users actually stealing your IP. Standard Excel passwords just do not cut it anymore. Your hard work deserves some professional-grade armor.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our spellbook index for empowering your files using XL tool. First, VBA Obfuscation and Lock. Second, bulk sheet protection. Third, very hidden sheets. And fourth, monetizing with licenses.
Section 1. VBA Obfuscation and Lock. The first spell.
Okay, before protecting the data, we absolutely must secure the brain of your operation, the actual VBA code. Standard readable developer logic might look clean to you, but it's basically an open door for thieves. But through the magic of obfuscation, that exact same logic becomes scrambled, encrypted, and completely unreadable. It literally turns into an unsolvable puzzle for anyone trying to reverse engineer it. This obfuscation magic actively masks your logic. It automatically renames your variables into complete nonsense characters. It encrypts your procedures and totally hides your algorithm structure. The best part? Your macro still runs perfectly, but unauthorized copying is completely shut down.
And it actually goes a step further with a state called Project Unviewable. This entirely locks down the Excel VBA project. Just completely disabling the VBA editor, it blocks unauthorized access and stops any code extraction methods in their tracks, creating a truly impenetrable environment for your work.
Section 2. Bulk Sheet Protection. The Global Shield.
So, with the brain of your workbook secured, we need the magical ability to scale that protection across all your sheets instantly, and it takes exactly one click. One single click. That is the incredible speed of this tool. Instead of right-clicking and password protecting 50 individual tabs, one by agonizing one, a single click deploys this massive global shield over all your sheets simultaneously. In that one click, you secure your formula cells, both hiding and locking them. You protect standard data cells, you lock down your charts and objects, and you freeze the overall sheet structure. So you are completely securing your background logic while still allowing users to safely enter their data.
I do want to highlight this specific feature though, converting formulas to values. If you're sharing a finalized report and you want absolute static data security, this removes the formula links entirely. It leaves behind only the calculated final data, so you are exposing zero calculation logic to the end user. Zero.
Moving to Section 3, Very Hidden Sheets. The Cloak of Invisibility.
Because sometimes locking a sheet just isn't enough, right? Your highly sensitive backend data needs to completely disappear. Now ask yourself this. If you right-click a tab in Excel and select Hide, can't the user just right-click and hit Unhide? Obviously they can. That's standard, weak Excel security for you. It's an illusion of safety, not actual protection. But with this, no. They absolutely cannot just click on Hide. XOtool deploys a very hidden mode that completely disables the standard unhide option. Your calculation sheets and your confidential lists become truly invisible to curious users, which guarantees maximum background security.
Section 4. Monetize with licenses. The alchemy.
This is where we pivot from pure defense into proactive offense. We're talking about turning a secured file into a real revenue-generating business. Here is the actual alchemy of turning a simple spreadsheet into a professional, monetizable software product. Step 1. Set an expiry date. Step 2. Generate a unique license key. Step 3. Sell it securely on the market. Suddenly, you aren't just sharing an Excel file anymore. You are distributing licensed software. This setup gives you total distribution control. You can generate unique keys for individual users, ensuring user-based activation. That means a single file can't just be forwarded to 100 unauthorized people. You can even create trial versions and utilize a usage restrictions system.
You control exactly who accesses your tool and exactly how long they get to play with it.
And when their time is up, boom, the auto-lock system kicks in. This prevents unlimited use and entirely secures your subscription models. Let's say a user buys a 1-year license. On day 366, the file locks automatically until they renew. Your revenue stream is protected completely on autopilot.
Section 5. Your arsenal awaits. Secure and share with confidence.
We've journeyed all the way from locking the very brain of your code to setting up professional software licensing. And here's a fantastic takeaway straight from the source material. This professional-level software is a free download to use for everyday Excel security needs. It really brings advanced developer-level protection right within your reach, without requiring you to have any complex technical background.
So, we'll end on this provocative thought. How much is your intellectual property actually worth to you? All those hours, the intricate formulas, the brilliant logic you've built, it has immense value. Please, don't leave it unguarded. Equip your arsenal, secure your spreadsheet magic, and start monetizing your hard work today.